Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to assign a simple coding exercise for your practice. See, on ChatGPT, yes, you can explore this exercise solution. See, my query is write a program, pyramid program. Pyramid pattern program in Python. Yes, you just try to pause this video lecture and ask your ChatGPT, and you are able to getting this solution or not. You test it. Pause for a seconds and test yourself and play it, and I'll show you the solution how we are getting and running. So let's see. When I'm asking write a pyramid pattern program in Python, yes, it's asking like it's taking a few seconds of time. Meanwhile, I'm starting my PyCharm code editor to test this pyramid pattern in my PyCharm. So let me check over here. Yeah, any pattern you may try yourself. Yes, not only the single pyramid pattern, and more patterns and stars and the different of way of patterns you may test in your Python coding. Yes, ChatGPT is taking a few seconds. Yes, it will initiate as simply a reflection of the solution. This I am also eagerly waiting for it. And also like you may test it with this loop statements, nested loops, and class of functions, different type of functions, and wherever you heard about the keyword, you just try yourself to get functionality from this. It's taking some time. Just I'm trying to taking a copy of this query and reinitiating my ChatGPT, and just let me check to ask one more time to this particular ChatGPT. Yes, it's taking, so I'm closing. Sometimes if you are ideally put the ChatGPT, it may take some time. So here is a sample program to print pyramid pattern in Python. It's most cases it's completed. So the explanation is also given here. Before completing this, I'm taking a copy of this code, and here I'm trying to testing for your reference. Just simply I'm written pyramid. Yes, run. Enter the number of rows. How many rows you need? Maybe like 6. Wow. See, star. The pyramid it is constructed. How many, like a purely dynamic pattern it is given to you to implementing this program. So enter the input numbers for range, and for loops it is used to implementing and extending. And also if you given 10, up to 10 levels it is given. What you need more to learn this way. So I hope it's a super easy lecture. Whenever you are going to trying your way in different queries and getting the solutions, you try to get from ChatGPT and understand the logic in very simple terms. I hope it's a super easy lecture for you and cracking an interview like this query. Most of the persons, hopefully they have resolved this query. I think so. Thank you.